Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I am making up some garlic butter chicken. Everything you need for this will be in the description box. It's delicious, it's simple, comes together fairly quick, and I hope you guys give it a try. If you're new to the channel, you enjoying the channel, please like and subscribe and share. It helps support my channel and it's truly appreciated if you enjoy the channel. Okay, so here in my pan I have some butter and some olive oil getting pretty hot. You want it on medium high because we want to cook these chicken breasts fairly over some high heat. So here I have my chicken breasts, three boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I had these seasoned with my salt, pepper, my Italian seasoning for a few hours. If you want to do it in the morning, let it sit. If you know you're going to have this for dinner, even better, right? But we're going to let this sear on each side for approximate 4 to 5 minutes. Just depends on how thick that chicken is. And I'm not going to disturb it. I'm going to let it go for maybe 4 minutes and see how brown it is on one side. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, these have been going for almost 5 minutes because these are pretty thick. And we'll just give them a flip. That's going to make a beautiful garlic butter sauce, that color there. So we're going to go approximate 4 to 5 more minutes on the other side. Okay, the chicken is nice and golden. We're not looking to cook it thoroughly. We're not going to be cooking this all the way through because it's still going to simmer a few minutes in the butter sauce. So we'll take this out. And what I'm going to do is cover this with some foil. This is also going to help this carryover cook. It'll continue to cook because I'm going to put a sheet of foil right over that. Cover it up and keep it warm for us. I'm going to get this all covered up over here. Now in my pan, now it's important that you do use some type of oil and butter because if you use all butter, it's going to burn. So I got a little bit of olive oil in there and some butter. Like I said, it's all in the description what you'll be needing, okay? Now to this little bit of oil and butter, I'm going to put just a little bit of flour. And we're going to cook this for maybe a minute. And then we'll get our garlic in there. It's a very easy dish to prepare. It's not hard at all. Okay, we got that going. Now we're gonna put in our chopped garlic. Go about maybe 30 seconds here with that. We don't want it to burn. Turn this down a bit. Start smelling that garlic. Keep it moving. Okay, now to this, I'm going to be adding in my chicken broth. There's my chicken broth. Keep it moving. Now to that, let me grab my butter, y'all. I forgot to get it out of the refrigerator here. I had it all cut up. So we're going to add our butter to this and just keep this moving till all that butter is melted. Now when you use your chicken broth, be careful if you want to use low sodium or unsalted butter. That's your choice, but you can taste it here. But remember, your chicken is also salted. So we're just going to keep this stirring till that butter gets nice and melted. Okay, we have that lightly simmering there. Got all of our butter in there. You can taste it here for salt, but I normally wait because, like I said, that chicken has salt on it that's going to cook off in there. So let's go ahead and drop our chicken in here. And we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. Get that drippings there on that plate from that chicken in there. That's flavor, right? Now, you want to let this cook 2 to 3 minutes and just give it a baste here and there. Now, you can have this with a salad. You can have it with mashed potatoes and some nice vegetables. Rice, whatever you want with it. I like to eat some of that, or mix some of that couscous up. That's some good stuff right there too. But give it a flip here and there. Make sure everything's evenly cooked, because like I said, our chicken is not all the way cooked. So we're going to let this go lightly simmer, as you can see, for a few minutes. And I'm going to make us up a plate of food. Okay, our chicken is done, as you can see. And I just sprinkle a little bit of chopped parsley on there. Now, if your sauce seems too thick, add some more water. I wouldn't go in no more chicken broth. If it's too thin, just let it keep reducing. Let it keep cooking. So we're going to get this plated up. Okie dokie, there we go, my friends. It's all done. Put some of that garlic butter, see there, right over your chicken. We're having ours with some potatoes, and I like to put some of that flavored butter right there, that garlic butter right on top of the potatoes. And we got some mixed vegetables here, and I cut this, sliced it all up here. Nice and moist. Cooked perfect. But I'm going to get a bite with y'all here. I already know it's good. You know, it's something different. A lot of us, you know, haven't tried. It's something different. I want some of that asparagus right there. Oh, is that good? Just need a dinner roll. Boy, that's good. I also like to cook those, but they're more pricey. But that tenderloin meat from chicken is so good made this way. Instead of the breast, use you a package of those chicken tenders. Those cook up nice and tender. But there it is, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you're new to the channel, like I said, welcome. And I hope you subscribe. But until next time, and again, everything in the description box is what you'll need for that chicken. But anyway, till next week, you guys love one another. Stay blessed. Take care of one another. And I love y'all. Y'all have a beautiful evening. Bye-bye.